Hey Java Nuts, it's coffee time. Today's review will be about the Wicked Joe's Organic Wicked Italian. I was at my local grocery store and saw this little guy was on sale. In order to expand my palate and explore the exciting world of coffee, I will usually grab an on-sale bag of coffee from a brand or roast I've never had, especially when it's organic, and I suggest you do the same. Just remember, on sale doesn't always mean fresh, so always be sure to check for expiration dates. If the bag does not have an expiration date, put it back on the shelf. Roasted in Maine, Wicked Joe is family-owned, fairly traded, practices sustainable business, and operates out of an energy-efficient facility. They have a wide range of roasts, including today's Wicked Italian. I've never tasted this dark roast, so you will be going on this journey with me. To truly taste test a new roast, you must extract the flavor properly. To do this, I will be using French press. If you've never used French press or would like a video guide by yours truly, check out my how-to linked at the end of this video and in the video description. We'll start by opening the bag. So the tie wrap fell off. It's not usually a good sign. Just make sure that's actually sealed. Yep. Oh, man. Okay, so this is really sealed on here, which is a very good sign. There we go. I can smell it from here. The smell is fresh. So this is of course pre-ground. These tie wraps sometimes fall off, but the glue is back here. So all you gotta do is just fix it. Right on the glue, press it on, and it should hold pretty well. There we go, back in business. So let's get started. So immediately as I pour the cup, I recognize the slight crema that's set on the top, and the aroma is quite spectacular. It has a mild sweetness to it, with fragrant yet nutty notes throughout. It's definitely a bold dark roast with a slightly chocolatey finish. The aftertaste is smoky yet sweet, and the whole experience is very warming. I definitely recommend the Wicked Joe Wicked Italian. If you're into dark roast, and even if you're not, if you find it on sale, I highly recommend you give it a shot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also enjoy it. Leave me a comment below about your experiences with Wicked Joe's Wicked Italian. What did you like? What didn't you like? How did you brew it? Remember to subscribe so you don't miss another episode. Till next time.